What if the next economic superpower isn't a country, but the planet itself? Welcome to the green economy, where environmental responsibility isn't just a moral choice, it's a business strategy and a job creator. You're watching the Learning Studio, where we bring big economic ideas to life with clear, engaging explanations. Today's topic, part of our Future Trends and Hot Debates series, is what the green economy is, how carbon pricing works, why ESG is transforming business, and the new careers emerging in this eco-driven future. You can watch our full economics playlist by clicking the link in the description below. What is the green economy? A green economy is one that aims for sustainable development without degrading the environment. It's about balancing economic growth with reducing carbon emissions, protecting ecosystems, and improving social well-being. Carbon pricing, making pollution expensive. Carbon pricing is an economic tool that puts a cost on greenhouse gas emissions. Two main methods. One, carbon tax. Companies pay a fixed fee for every ton of CO2 they emit. Two, cap and trade. Governments set a limit on emissions and let companies buy and sell permits to pollute. Example, Sweden introduced a carbon tax in 1991. Today, it has one of the world's highest carbon taxes and one of the fastest growing green sectors. ESG, environmental, social, governance. ESG is a framework for measuring how responsibly a company operates. E, environmental impact. S, social responsibility. G, governance, ethics, transparency, leadership. Investors are increasingly choosing companies with strong ESG ratings, making sustainability a competitive advantage. Future jobs in the green economy. The transition to sustainability is creating entirely new industries. Renewable energy engineers, climate data analysts, ESG compliance officers, sustainable agriculture specialists. The International Labor Organization predicts 24 million new green jobs globally by 2030. Quote to remember, we are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it. Barack Obama. Why this debate matters. The green economy isn't just about protecting the planet, it's about reshaping how we measure success. Carbon pricing, ESG standards, and green jobs aren't trends. They're the building blocks of a future economy that works with nature, not against it. Coming up next, the sharing economy, Uber, Airbnb, and beyond. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok for more animated insights into the future of work, money, and sustainability. This is the Learning Studio, your guide to the economic shifts shaping tomorrow.